Whoopie Pie Delight, Cookies, Cream and Cake Recipe. Ingredients. For the chocolate whoopie pies. 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 3. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 4. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 5. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 6. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 7. 1 cup granulated sugar. 8. 1 large egg. 9. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 10. 1 cup buttermilk. For the surprise filling. 1. 1 cup marshmallow fluff. 2. 1/2 cup creamy peanut butter. 3. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Instructions. Preheat the oven. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 1. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. Prepare dry ingredients. 1. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. 1. Set aside. Cream butter and sugar. 1. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add egg and vanilla. 1. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. Alternate dry ingredients and buttermilk. 1. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the buttermilk. 1. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. 1. Mix until just combined. Drop cookie dough. 1. Drop spoonfuls of the cookie dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving space between each for spreading. Bake. 1. Bake in the preheated oven for 10–12 minutes or until the tops spring back when lightly touched. 1. Allow the whoopie pies to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Prepare surprise filling. 1. In a separate bowl, mix together marshmallow fluff, creamy peanut butter, and powdered sugar until smooth and creamy. Assemble whoopie pies. 1. Once the whoopie pies are completely cooled, spread a generous dollop of the surprise filling on the flat side of one cookie and top it with another, creating a delightful sandwich. Say, whoopie, and enjoy. 1. With the surprise filling, every bite of these whoopie pie delights is a moment of joy. 1. Say, whoopie, and enjoy this fun and delicious treat. These whoopie pie delights are sure to bring a smile to your face with the unexpected and delightful filling. Share them with friends and family for an